Alright, today, me and Rob, we're about to cut our hair. So, we'll see you guys when we're all together.
Everybody scream 'cause she popular. She mainstream 'cause she popular. Never be free 'cause she popular. Money on top of me, money on top of her. Money on top of me, money on top of her. Daddy fuck on me 'cause you know I'm popular.
Wow. You just take 2 breaths here. Feel your rib cage expand front to back and side to side.
2 bacon, egg, and cheese McGriddles, please.
2 bacon, egg, and cheese McGriddle?
Yeah, and can I get 3 hash browns, please?
Yeah. Anything else?
That's it for the first order.
So the first one is going to be $23.66.
Okay. God.
What's the second one?
The second one?
You want to go? For the second one, can I get 2 sausage McMuffins, please?
Yeah. Anything else?
May I also get 3 hash browns?
Sure thing.
And then orange juice, please.
Orange juice.
A large one, please.
Will that be all?
Yes, please. That's all.
So for the second one, it's going to be $16.60.
Oh my god.
And what's the third one?
Can I get the number 2?
Number 2?
Yeah, with the hash brown.
With the what?
With the hash brown?
Sure thing. What kind of drink?
I'll take the orange drink.
Orange juice, please.
Orange juice. Anything
Nigga,
else?
no, not the orange juice. Orange soda.
And what else?
Can I get the orange soda?
And an orange soda?
Nah, change the orange juice for orange soda, please.
Will that be all?
Sup, Chad? Today we're cutting off all our curls.
Fuck.
Last day.
Good chat.
Yes.
Hey, before and after. You see the before and after.
Before and after. You see, I got length on my shit.
Mine's it's alright.
Show them the girth now.
What?
Okay.
Before and after for Key? Wait, wrong one. Oh, fuck it.
Soft and hard.
Cut.
Yeah, we have a 16 guard, right? 16.
I'm taking the 16 bar.
Should I use the 16 or what?
Yeah.
We're doing 6.
Nah,
We're doing
12. Rob, just do 12.
Hey, Rob, just do 12, Rob. Yo, the curls are coming off. No. Oh my god, dude.
He's gonna have to brush your shit over.
Hey, predictions for the hairline. McDonald's.
It's bad.
McDonald's.
Worse than mine. Yeah. Changed man.
The tail still looks here.
That boy chopped this shit.
I'm gonna take this shit out and if their hair comes out.
Nigga, how I zoom in? How I zoom in? Let's see. Dude. Oh yeah, I'm locked in. That boy's there.
Okay, yeah, that's exactly. Gold bar, the North State. Where's that at? So they, on Treasure Island, they have a bar.
Yeah, bruh.
YouTube!
What?
After. Look at this guy's hair. Look at my hair though.
Cut this shit off.
Fuck! I'm good! God. At least we got a good whip though. Rob. Bye, Rob.
BTB, that's a slap.
Ocean blue 10, I'm a shark in the beam.